Rainbow Vinyl Co. got this gorgeous Popping Candy Glitter Heat Transfer vinyl, and I needed a design to do it justice. So here is Candy Wreath, which is one of my designs and available on my Etsy store. I'll pop the link in the description. Now I wanted to make a few changes to the design. Because this heat transfer vinyl is just so beautiful, I want to have a few of the lollies or candy solid. So let me show you how to do this in Cricut Design Space. So I've imported the PNG into Cricut and I've selected single layer on import. Now I think I'll keep these swirly lollies and the stripy lollies as outlines, and the rest of them we will make solid. So let's duplicate this image, always best to have a backup. Then we open up the contour panel and simply click on the items we want to remove. Let's talk about how the contour tool works in Cricut Design Space and which file types you can actually use it with. Contour is one of those hidden gems that gives you more control over your design. It allows you to hide or show individual cut lines in a single layer design. This means you can take parts of a design out or add them back in without having to ungroup or slice. But here's the important bit. Contour only works on single layer cut shapes. That means the image must be a cut only image with no layers or print elements, and it has to be a vector, not a photo. You can use contour with Cricut's built-in images from Design Space as long as they're single layer cut files, SVG or PNG files you upload yourself, shapes you draw using the Cricut Shape tool, but you can't use contour on PNGs or JPEGs unless you've converted them into a cuttable shape using the trace and clean process, text layers that haven't been welded, any grouped or multi-layered items you'll need to ungroup or flatten it to one layer first. This is perfect for customizing designs, like removing words you don't want or turning a full design into a silhouette. Give it a go and see how much creative control you get. Okay, I'm pretty happy with how that looks, so I'm going to send this through to make. I popped my heat transfer vinyl shiny side down on the green or standard matte. I chose glitter iron-on as my cup setting and it cut perfectly. Remember, Cricut Design Space now automatically mirrors your design when you choose iron-on or heat transfer vinyl. I love this. You can see I had to weed the outside to be able to see where the design was on the sheet. And yes, I did forget to do a weeding box. I was just so excited to see this heat transfer vinyl cut. I found the easiest way to weed was to bend the vinyl to see the cut lines and then grab them and pull. The vinyl weeded really easily. It was just my eyesight that let us down. I won't bore you with showing me weeding at all, so I'll finish this and we can catch up on the heat press. I'm putting this design on a tote bag. I thought it would make a fantastic Halloween treat bag, and the colours are just so perfect. I set my heat press to 150 degrees Celsius and the time is 15 seconds. I have done a pre-press on my tote bag already, but I'm going to fold it in half lengthways and then widthways in order to get a central point for me to place the design. Do the same on your design and crease it gently, and then you can match up the design center with your bag center. Once you are happy with your placement, pop on your Teflon sheet and press. This vinyl is a cold peel, so just wait for it to cool down and you can remove your carrier tape. Wow, I am so loving this vinyl. What do you think? I've put all the info in the description for you so you can try this project yourself. Have fun, happy crafting!